The Superior Court is one of the oldest and the hardest working appellate court in the nation. The Pennsylvania Superior Court hears and disposes of approximately 8,000 cases each year. Hi, my name is Sallie Mundy, and I'm a candidate for the Superior Court. The Superior Court is an appellate court. It hears appeals. The Superior Court hears appeals from the trial courts. In Pennsylvania, our trial courts sit in each of our 67 counties, with 2 exceptions. In 2 of our more rural counties, they share a trial court with a neighboring county. The Superior Court is a 15-member court. These 15 members are elected by the voters in Pennsylvania. This November, we will be electing 4 new Superior Court judges. Currently, there are 7 senior judges on the Superior Court. A senior judge is a judge who has reached the age of mandatory retirement, age 70, and has been appointed by the Supreme Court to continue to sit. Our Superior Court hears cases in 3-member panels. These panels are put together by the president judge. The Superior Court hears its cases typically in Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, and Harrisburg, although it will sit in other venues by designation. On occasion, the Superior Court sits en banc. An en banc panel is a panel of 9 members. En banc panels are assigned by the president judge of the Superior Court when there is a public policy issue that is far-reaching, or it's new legislation which is first going through the civil process. The thought is that 9 heads are better than 3, and the objective is to get it right the first time. The Superior Court hears about 8,000 cases a year, and of these 8,000 cases, 60% are criminal cases, and the other 40% are comprised of civil litigation actions and family law matters. The Superior Court hears appeals from the trial courts, with the exception of those cases that are governmental entities, and they are heard by the sister court, the Commonwealth Court. The Supreme Court of Pennsylvania, with the exception of some criminal actions, hears cases only with permission. There is no absolute right to be heard by the Superior Court with the exception of those criminal cases. So the Superior Court then hears the vast majority of the appeals, and for most of those cases, it is the court of last resort. It is the final say in those cases. I hope you've enjoyed this introduction and will take the time to listen to the other lectures in this series about the Superior Court, which includes series on civil litigation, appellate procedure, criminal law, and family law.